How's it going, my beardless brethren? If I take a step too far, I'm being abducted by aliens. Look, it's not made. Are you surprised? No, I'm not gonna throw a fit about it. I'm not gonna make a huge fuss and try to do it quickly. It's not made! Welcome to week 40 of me putting MINOXIDIL on my face. It does not feel like it's been 40 weeks, but at the same time, it feels like it's been 7 decades. Can you imagine me as like a 90-year-old still making MINOXIDIL videos?
Hello there, young whippersnappers. Let me tell you about a time when I had a channel helping people grow hair. Now I have a channel about removing hair. Ear hair.
I don't want to know what I'll be like as an old man. I actually found a single strand of gray hair the other day. I don't know why. I don't know where it came from. But it was there. So basically, I'm old now. Before I say anything else embarrassing, are you subscribed yet? Because my little skit must have certainly convinced you. But for real, please subscribe so you don't miss any of my fun videos. Also be sure to drop a like, it lets me know that you're really enjoying what I'm making. And if you're interested, feel free to follow me on Twitter or Instagram. I'm curious, my beardless brethren. Now, in my time before starting my MINOXIDIL journey, I watched a lot of videos about MINOXIDIL. I watched like every video on every channel of anyone who uploads anything about MINOXIDIL. I wanted to be so sure that I was sure when I started this thing. And it's not like any of those videos were particularly boring, right? But after 40 weeks of MINOXIDIL, which is nearly 30-some videos about my facial hair, I felt like some of that content started to get stale. It's not like I was bored, but it was just like, hey, here's my face again, bah. And I could do that. I can be boring. But the reason why I have such long lead-ups into actually seeing my facial hair is because I want to make content that's actually interesting for you to watch every time. I don't want you guys to get to week 40 and you're like, this is basically the same thing. His facial hair has really not changed and I'm super bored. I just pulled these two... One leg. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I can be boring, but I want to make content that's interesting for you. I want you guys to feel like you have the opportunity to get to know me as a person. I love reading your comments and hearing your stories in MINOXIDIL Motivation Monday. I've never met anyone that I've told I was using MINOXIDIL that wasn't thoroughly surprised. It's kind of an interesting thing. There's not many people who put MINOXIDIL on their face. So I'm super glad that we have this little supportive community here on YouTube that gets each other. So if you're someone who hates my long lead-ups, feel free to skip near the end. But otherwise, I'm going to keep being my ridiculous self. Now there's one more thing I want to address before getting into this. Listen, I know that in my 2 most popular videos, I have no facial hair at all. And that makes it seem like I don't know what I'm talking about. People, you don't have to keep telling me that I don't have facial hair in those videos. The reason why I'm using MINOXIDIL is to get facial hair. In fact, a lot of people using MINOXIDIL on their face don't have facial hair, so it's surprising when people comment expecting me to have a full beard. When I get my full finished beard, you better believe I'll be making videos about my journey. But golly, people who keep commenting expecting me to have a full beard in my first few videos, I'm sorry to let you down. Now it's about time to check out my facial hair. I say about time because it's 4:49 and facial hair time is no earlier than 4:50. Swell, let's begin. As you can see, I've got a lot of good growth going. It's been probably a week and a half since I last trimmed my facial hair. I'm still applying MINOXIDIL twice a day and the side effects really haven't been that bad. I see a lot of vellus hairs on the chin and the connectors of my beard, but still they're just light blonde hairs. It's been a while since I've seen anything turn dark, so I'm really hoping for that soon. The patches on my cheeks and the lack of hair under my lip are something that I still feel insecure about my beard. It's getting better. I feel like the hairs are getting thicker and darker, and the longer it is, the better it looks. So I'm gonna keep going with it. I feel good about where I'm going. This week I might have recruited a beardless brethren here at my college. I switched to foam MINOXIDIL like 6 months ago, so I never use my liquid anymore. I told him he could have my liquid for free, so Jake, if you're watching this stuff works. Everyone tell Jake in the comments that it works. Speaking of working, I need a job. I'm so broke. I'm just kidding. No, I have a job, but I am broke. I have a question. If I made merch, like maybe starting with t-shirts, but maybe moving into beard products, would you buy it? I'm not promising anything. I'm just curious. If you would, leave me in the comments below. Leave me in the comments below. Leave me a comment in the comments below. Don't leave me anything else in the comments below. Just a comment. I think that's all you can leave. This is going on way too long. My beardless brethren, be safe and take care of yourselves. We've been in a crazy time for a while, but we're coming into an even crazier time. Especially in America with the election, but all over the world with the coronavirus pandemic. Please wear a mask, please stay safe, and don't forget to use your MINOXIDIL. If you want to pick up MINOXIDIL for yourself or you need a refill, I have links down to Amazon below. Thank you all for watching. I love your faces. And now, I'm going to aggressively bye-bye, and it will probably give me a headache. I just narrated my own actions. See ya! Bye-bye. Didn't expect that, did you?